What is going on, YouTube? Back with another video here in Moab. We are on the 2018 Scott Genius, hitting it up in Moab. So if you guys haven't followed the channel here, I recently picked up this bike as part of a trade deal for my 2020 Specialized Turbo Levo SL. Pretty excited about it. I've always wanted to do a Scott Genius, see how they ride. Got the twin lock system, so allows you to move the position of the dampening of the fork and the shock to different modes in the flick of a switch. One of the issues I've seen with it is it's right down here, kind of appears as the dropper lever, and so I've hit that unintentionally thinking it was my dropper, but I'm sure with a little bit of practice you'll be okay. Anyways, we're just out here Klondike Bluffs doing a couple rides, so it'll probably be a short and quick video, but back out on Genius, back in Moab. Love it. All right, so we have hit some of Moab's finest rocks here. Kind of fun. This is why I love to come down here, is just the terrain is so unique. It really is a party. Lots of square edge, repeated hard hits. So one of the things that I have noticed in riding this bike is I have been very fortunate to ride the Grip 2 damper in my last two bikes on the Fox 36, and with a remote lockout, this thing it's got the Fit 4, and if you are on a Fit 4 and you are considering upgrading, highly recommend to the Grip 2. It is a game changer in terms of suspension performance. Just a lot more supple off the top, a lot better ramp. So just 2 cents as we're climbing here. So I probably should go over some of the upgrades that I've done to this bike while we're climbing. So first and foremost, I've got a rental fat bar. I've got these cut down to 785, paired to a Ritchie WCS, I believe, or WSC Trail 45 mil stem, Fabrique grips, and then a Ritchie carbon seat. That's pretty much all I'm planning on doing right now. Anyways, keep climbing. So for those of you who are wondering, technical climbing, I would actually rate the Genius fairly well. You know, I'm not locked out at all because I want the traction, but there's been a couple places where I just really wanted traction, and the Scott does deliver. I had a 2020 Evo offering, and before the comments go crazy, I know that's a 140 in the rear. This is a little bit bigger, but I don't know. That one felt to kind of be a little bit more of like a hover bike to me. So this is a pretty sweet section. Let's get up it. The bike is so light that makes it easy to kind of pop it around. I think I've got this thing down to 27 pounds, which is super good. I always love it when you can see where people have had some pedal strike. It always gives you a good idea of where to avoid. I think the next mod I want to do this is actually put an oval chainring on it. I used to rock an oval chainring years ago. If I remember correctly, I really liked it. Out of the saddle climbing, 10 out of 10. I mean, seriously. It's really good. Now this is a 2018. I am sure for 2019, 2020, they changed geometry. Even compared to my Turbo Levo SL, it's much shorter in reach. So the bike does feel a little bit more cramped. Not sure if I love it yet. I think I've just been on long reach bikes for so long that it's kind of been my norm, so definitely felt different. If you've never been to Moab, here's a good taste. This trail is rated as a blue. When we be coming down, will be a black. For reference, the whole enchilada, which is a very popular trail here, there are sections that are, it's mostly blue-black, a couple of sections of double black, and honestly, if you've ridden Moab, you know that a blue tends to be more like a black everywhere else, and a black tends to be like a double black everywhere else. So it's hard to compare, but fun riding nonetheless. Whoa, almost bounced myself off the pedals there. And now we're going down on the Genius. Going down on this thing's pretty fun. I wouldn't say the softest bike out there. It's just fun. You definitely have to know where to put it, but there you go. There's the view.
Is like it will never get old.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice little dab. What I love about this bike is you just put the power down and it follows. Like, it is just a rocket ship. Oh, that's a flat corner. Holy crap. Yeah. That is sweet. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. That is the tightest turn off of just a speed game. Oh yeah. hitting some awesome this is where Moab is just so much fun. Oh boy. Woo. Well, hope you guys have enjoyed the ride. I mean, this has just been awesome fun. Overall, I'm liking the Scott. I think we'll keep her for a minute. Anyways, if you liked the video, please thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot to get those, and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay shreddy. You!